Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. Last Friday, just 2 hours before the market close in US, the Trump has announced 25% tariff coming to effective from Saturday for Canada and Mexico. And because of that, the markets have fallen so big. Nasdaq 100 has fallen about 2%, S&P 500 about 1.5%. Then over the weekend, those countries retaliated. Canada retaliated with the 25% tariff. Mexico has announced they will retaliate. The China has been silent. Because of that, today US futures fell further. So that has dented sentiment all over the world. And our market is so fragile. Even when US and European markets are higher, we used to go low. But today when the entire global markets is going down, so there is no way our market is going up. So that's why yesterday, today morning itself, Nifty gapped down nearly about 200 points. And then after that, it continued to fall. There was a huge intraday fall 2 times. But one good thing for the bulls is that both the times, there was an intraday recovery of more than 100 points. Especially on closing basis, it is important that Nifty closed above 23,350. Because 23,350 is the Nifty closing level on November 21. That means the last time fall. So at least today, the Nifty closed above that level. So that is something a little bit positive. But otherwise, this market is not going anywhere. So pre-budget rally is completely wiped out. The budget enthusiasm. FIIs have given thumbs down to budget that I already told you. Because though the 12 lakh rupees no tax is a big positive for retail segment, but it comes with a pinch of salt that they are not allowed to make any money in the stock market, right? So this is completely negative for the stock market budget. I would say this is not negative, but it's not positive, right? Last year, there were so many taxes, but this time there was no tax increase. But when everybody was expecting something positive for stock market, so nothing has happened. So no positive news has become a negative news for stock market. So FIIs have shown thumbs down. They have sold today for about 3,900 crores. So this shows that FIIs is not going to stop selling. Now, the danger for this market is when retail people gets panic and they, stop paying money to mutual funds. And already there is a report that is saying that a record number of SIPs has been discontinued in the month of December. But we have to wait for the January report because the actual pain in mid cap and small cap came only in the month of January. So January data will be more interesting. So markets, on one side FII selling, other side domestic institution buying. So the markets, just move like a pendulum, this way, but not going anywhere. So this is what I've been saying you, not only for the short term, even for the longer term, maybe next 1-2 years time, our market may be going in for a time correction rather than the price correction. Picture in the broader market is very bad. So when I look at some stocks, I think there are many stocks, especially infrastructure stocks, because there was no good news for infrastructure stocks in budget. Like they are falling like, 5%, 10%, So the picture in the broader market looking really very, very bad. So now the markets will focus on RBI policy on Friday. But until then, not only until then, for the entire February series, I'm expecting a Nifty to oscillate between 23,000 and 24,000. But the thing is, markets are so bearish. Today, in the weekly options, even 23,500 call option has added huge open interest. And there was some unwinding in 23,500 put option. So that indicates 23,500 itself is going to be a bit difficult. This is mainly because of the global cues. So of course, if the global cues improves, but the probability of which is very, very low, because, when we are struggling to recover, but those markets, Europe and US, they were all at all-time high until 1 or 2 days before. Now only they started correcting. And also this tariff war, is not going to end anytime soon. But however, so if global markets recover, so we might recover. But even then, budget day high as well as budget day low, both must be important, at least for next few trading sessions. So let us see where the market is going to go. So, but as of now, things are not looking very good. The volatility index also started moving slightly higher. So, in fact, I conducted a poll in Twitter, saying that last year all-time high was 26,300. Will that cross? So, majority of the people said, it's not likely to cross that level. So, that is a view I am also sharing. But yet, the December month options, 27,000, 28,000 call options are trading very, very actively with a very good premium, right? So let us see. Sometimes stock market, things can change within few days. So hope something changes, but as of now, things are not looking good. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.